So we are going to be staining our cedar fence. Our cedar fence is about how old? About 7 years old. And we have decided to go with a darker color brown. It's called CORDOVAN Brown. It's made by Behr. And we're just going to show you the prep that's involved in making a older fence revived and stain it. We're using a stain that's going to last 10 years. So we're just going to show you the steps that you need to do in order to stain a fence. First step is to nail in all your loose nails, because eventually when you start staining, you want your roller not to get caught up in all the nails that have popped out over time. Okay, these are the supplies that you will need if you plan to stain a deck or a fence. First of all, I have the Behr Premium All-in-One Wood Cleaner. It comes in 1 gallon container. You can buy a sprayer here at Home Depot for $19.99, the spray bottle, and you can put half a gallon of the Behr All-in-One Wood Cleaner with half a gallon of water. And if you have any rust spots or any other kind of stains on your fence, you can use the Behr at 100% in a separate spray bottle, which is what you see here. I have a separate spray bottle here. And then we have a hose, because we're going to wet down our fence, and we have a deck scrubbing brush, and we also have a 2-step step stool so you can get up high and reach the top part of the fence. And also we have a hammer for the nails, like you just saw us banging the nails back in. So the first step we're going to do is rinse down the entire fence, saturate it, and then we're going to apply the cleaner that's in the sprayer, and it's going to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 1 is rinsing down your deck or your fence to saturate before you apply your cleaner. So now you just apply your Behr All-in-One Wood Cleaner using the sprayer bottle that I showed you before. Look how nice it comes out of the sprayer. So that's going to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And once that sits for 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to start scrubbing. So as you can see, he's applying the All-in-One Wood Cleaner with a sprayer. The sprayer works pretty good. It's pretty efficient. It allows you to move quickly and go up and down or left and right, whichever direction you want to. And after this step, we're going to start using the scrub brush. And basically, you're scrubbing your fence, which a lot of people would use a pressure washer, but this is supposedly the best way and the correct way and a more thorough way to do it if you're going to be staining your fence or your deck. It's somewhat labor intensive and can really give you a good physical workout. But it's basically giving your fence a bath, not like you would with pressure washing. This is more of a deep scrub, a deeper clean than a pressure washer. This is going to make the wood treatable and ready to be stained. Not treatable, but prepared and ready to be stained. As you can see, we're almost done with this portion of the fence. We have another side of the house that we did earlier today, and we will pick up our stain and we will show that in the next part of the video.
As you can see, we're starting. She's trimming around everything, cutting in. I'm starting to roll. You can see right there. Coming along nicely though. They weren't lying when they said 1 coat. It goes on pretty nice. Covers us really well. Almost finished. We're still cutting in a little bit. But overall it looks pretty good.
It's hard to see in the sunlight, but this concludes our fence project. We decided to go around the corner and do as much as we could reach. That's as far as we could go. Thanks for watching.